Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're going to talk about the Huawei Mate 20 here, which is we have hands-on video leaks. Official look here for the Huawei Mate 20 only. We can see in the video, which is leaked from /leak here, and as you can see, guys, this look really similar to the renders which we saw a couple of days ago. Leaks, rumors. Based on that, we have official look right now on the device fully function. As you can see in the video, the dude holding it here. As well on the back we have human scanner for the base model and triple camera as well as flash, and we have silver color, kind of grayish color here. Look really awesome, guys, to be honest. Now we don't have any official look right now for the Mate 20 Pro. It should be there, guys. It should be a available video soon coming in the market just like this one, but right now we only have this. So really awesome to see, guys. Before they even announced this device, we saw like many pictures recently got leaked, and mainly focus the camera here. As you can see the round box in the video. So, and we all know, guys, coming with a 980 processor is high-end intelligent coming with this phone. So obviously, guys, this phone is more smarter compared to any of the phone in the market right now because coming with the AI chipset. Right now only like a Huawei coming with it, so maybe next year Samsung gonna come as well with their S10 series lineup here. Also, we have some case render already making cases for these devices, which is coming really soon in the market. But anyway, guys, this is Huawei Mate 20. We have official look which just got leaked, and really awesome, guys. We have a kind of grayish color here, look really awesome. And what we know so far about base and rumors leaks as the renders, this kind of happening really soon, which is next month, as well as the Pro version as well. Right now we only have this, guys. Let me know what you're thinking. Do you excited or not? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you next video. Peace out.